So today you'll be learning how to design a flyer for a bag brand, a brand that sells bag. So come over to where you have Canva, click on Canva, and come over to where you have this plus icon. Click on this and put in your size 500 by 500 and click on create new design. Come over to the search templates and type in your bag flyer. This is a flyer and I like this, so keep scrolling. You will see more flyers that you can pick and edit. So this is also another flyer and it's beautiful too. Let's pick this. So click on it and this is it. So come over to add your logo first, your logo. So if you want to learn how I designed a logo for a bag business, watch the video at the top. Okay, so I'm going to bring this down a bit, drag it down, click on this one, drag it down, then come click on this plain background, go to where I have gallery, click on gallery. So this is the logo I designed and made transparent. So click on it, click on add to page, add to page. So if you notice there are extra spaces here, here. So I'm just going to drag this to remove those extra space. So my brand color is blue and white, so I'm just going to ensure that I stick to that. Okay, click on the background itself, scroll to where I have transparency or transparent, click on it and reduce the transparency a little bit more. Okay, so 12 is okay. I'm going to pick my logo and take it up. I'll reduce the size from here. Okay, so if you see that line, it's just to show that I have centralized my logo. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to type here is, okay, my tote bag collection. I'm going to put this in my brand color, which is the blue color. So I'm going to go to where I have color and come over to this part here. Scroll down. You see where I have photo colors? Photo colors. Click on see all. Once you click on see all, this is our logo, so this are brand colors. So I'm just going to pick. Now I don't like this font, so I would want to change this font. Come over to where I have fonts, click on this arrow to see more fonts. Pick, I think I like this league. It's very bold and I'm okay with it. So I'm going to expand this. This is where I expand. Then I'll click on this small circle to reduce the size. So I think I'm okay with this. My tote bags collection. Click on this first one, scroll to where I have, click on style and give it a border. 4 is okay. I'm going to click on the second image, give it a border. 4 is okay. Click on the third image, give it a border. 4 is okay. So I'm going to go to where I have border color. I'll give it a blue color and I'm okay with them like this. So the next thing is to change these images. So click on the first image, go to where you have replace. You can either come to your gallery and pick the image you have or come over to where you have photos to get new image. So I'm just going to click on tote bags. I'll see lots of tote bags that I can pick from. Okay, so I'll pick this, click on the other one, click on replace, go to photos. So I like this. Click on this other one, the third one. This is where I click to replace. Click on replace. Go to photos and pick. Okay, now if you notice the bag is not showing itself, so I'll click on it. Go to where you have crop. Click on crop, then drag it to and click on done. So this is it. I'm okay with this. So the next thing I would like to do is to put my contact info and probably the price. So assuming they all have the same price, I'll come over to where you have get up to 20% off. Click on edit and write the price. So get one for as low as $3. Okay, so I'm okay with this. Come over to click on the text itself, scroll down to where you have. So click on spacing and Go to where you have later spacing and drag it to remove all the extra space. Then use your two fingers to zoom, increase the size, and remove the extra space. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. So the next thing is to increase the size and try to centralize it. So I'm going to give this a color blue. Then go to where I have effects. Scroll to where I have background and click on it. So I like the background color it gave to me. So I'm just going to reduce the size a little bit more and I'm okay with this. The next thing is to write my contact information. Okay, so I'll click on edit and write my phone number. So probably this is my call number. I'll click on edit and add call or WhatsApp. Move it to this part here and give it color blue. Click on the plus icon, move it again to this part. Okay, and I'm going to put my Instagram handle. So I'll click on this last one, scroll to where I have format and move it to the right. Click on this and move it to the left. And I'm okay with this. So the next thing I can actually do to make this look a little bit different, come over to where I have elements and add shapes. Click on this to add a shape. So this is the shape. Bring it down here. Increase the shapes line. Reduce it. Then give it a color blue. Then try to click on my text. Click on these three dots. Click on select multiple and look for the second text. Change the color to white. And go to where I have nudge to bring it down. And bring it down little by little. And I think this is okay. Okay, so bring this down a bit. So this is just fine for me. Then once I'm done with this, I can either come over to this background to scroll back to transparency and increase the transparency if I want it to be this way, or reduce the transparency just a little bit more. And I think I'm okay with this. So the next thing is to save. Come over to this arrow here, click on it and go to where you have download. Click on download, increase this and click on ensure it's at PNG, increase the size and click on download. So this is how you can design a very simple flyer for your bag brand using the Canva app. So if you have come this far, that means you have gotten value. Do well to like, share, and if you have any questions, use the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.